Welcome to our channel English Gateway. You are ready to learn English, and that's a fantastic decision. We are here to assist you. Welcome back to English Gateway. In this lesson, we're diving into present tense, one of the most important parts of English grammar. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use present tense confidently in your daily conversations. Let's get started. What is present tense? Present tense is used to talk about actions happening now, things we do regularly, or facts that are always true. It has four forms: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Don't worry, I'll explain each one with examples. Simple present tense usage. 1. Habits or routines. Example, I drink coffee every morning. 2. General truths or facts. Example, the earth revolves around the sun. 3. Scheduled events. Example, the train leaves at 6 p.m. Structure, positive, subject plus base verb plus s or es for he, she, or it. Example, she plays piano. Negative, subject plus does or does plus not plus base verb. Example, he does not like spicy food. Question, do does plus subject plus base verb. Example, do you speak English? 2. Present continuous tense. 1. Actions happening right now. Example, I am teaching you English. 2. Temporary actions. Example, she is staying at her friend's house this week. 3. Future planned actions. Example, we are meeting them tomorrow. Structure, positive, subject, plam amins are plam verb ing. Example, they are playing cricket. Negative, subject plus am is are plus not plus. Verb dash ing. Example, I am not watching TV. Question, am is are plus subject. Verbing. Example, are you listening to me? 3. Present perfect, tense usage. 1. Actions completed. Recently or at an unspecified time. Example, I have finished my homework. 2. Actions that started in the past and continue to the present. Example, she has lived here for 5 years. Structure, positive, subject plus have or has plus past. Participle. Example, he has eaten lunch. Negative, subject plus have or has plus, not plus past participle. Example, we have not seen that movie. Question, have has plus subject, pure past participle. Example, have they arrived yet? 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Usage. 1. Actions that started in the past and are still happening. Example, I have been working since morning. 2. To emphasize the duration of an action. Example, she has been studying for 3 hours. Structure, positive, subject, have, has, been or verb, ing. Example, they have been playing football. Negative, subject plus have or has plus not, plus been plus verb dash ing. Example, he has not been sleeping well. Question, have, has plus subject, been plus verb ing. Example, have you been waiting long? Activity, now it's your turn. Identify the type of present tense in these sentences. 1. She writes a letter every day. 2. I am cooking dinner right now. 3. They have visited Paris twice. 4. We have been working on this project for a week. Write your answers in the comments and I'll share the correct answers in the next video. Great job today! You've just learned the 4 forms of present tense. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Gateway for more lessons. See you in the next class.